Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application. Next, click on the three dots right next to the search, and then choose Settings, Import Export, Import from SIM. Now for me it's a SIM 1, that's because it's on the tray number 1, but it also could say SIM number 2. In any case, once you select one of those, it will then present you with all the contacts that you have on that SIM card. You can quickly select all of them by clicking right over here. Now if you don't want all the contacts, but maybe most of them, you could still select all and then deselect some contacts that you don't want. Click on OK. And there we go, this imports contacts. Now, that being said, there is a chance that in your case, when you select import from whatever, you might have a drop-down menu somewhere here that allows you to choose where you can import contacts to. I don't have a Google account signed in on the device, so it automatically imports the contacts to the phone itself. But if you have Google accounts or any kind of accounts that you can import contacts to, you should have a choice to select those instead of the device. And that could be, like I said, either visible somewhere here as a drop-down menu, or maybe when you press on OK, it will let you choose the location from there. Now once you import your contacts, when you go back, they should be visible in your list. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.